Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this heart bookmark. Okay, so all you need is some cotton yarn in any colour, a 3.5mm hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, and you can add beads if you like, but it's optional. Okay, to start, make a slip knot. Chain 4. And then for this first round, we're going to put all of our stitches in this first chain that you made. So first we're going to make a treble crochet. So yarn over twice. Go into that first chain space. Yarn over and pull through. Okay, so you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. Yarn over, pull through the second 2. And yarn over and pull through the last 2. Next we're going to do 3 double crochets. So yarn over into the chain space, yarn over and pull through. So you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, so that's 1 double crochet. We just need to do 2 more. Next you want to make 3 treble crochets. Okay, so you have your chain 4, your treble crochet, 3 double crochets, 3 treble crochets. Next you want to do 1 double crochet, then slip stitch into the center, okay, so that's one side of the heart. Next we're going to chain 1 and then make 1 double crochet, still working into the center, 3 treble crochets, and then 2 double crochets, and then to finish this round you want to slip stitch to the top of that chain 4. Okay, and pull the center tight. Okay, for the next row we're going to chain 1, and then in this next stitch, which was our first treble crochet, I'm going to put 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 single crochet, all in the same stitch. Okay, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Then I'm going to single crochet 3, 1 in each stitch. And the next stitch I'm going to make 2 half double crochets. Okay, so yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so we're going to make another half double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, so there's 3 single crochets, 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch we're going to put 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, 2 half double crochets. In the next stitch, 2 single crochets. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the center. Okay, so then we're just going to do the same as this side. So 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Two half double crochets in the next stitch. Two double crochets in the next stitch. Two half double crochets in the next one. Next you want to single crochet 3, 1 in each stitch. And then you want to skip over this chain 1 and do 2 single crochets. So 1 in the stitch and then 1 in the very tip. Okay, so the next thing to do is to make your chain. You can make it as long as you like. So I'm going to chain 40 for my one. Okay, so you can make it as long as you like. You also need to knot this off and then just hide it in the center at the back. Okay, so here's how mine looks after I've finished. So I hid the starting tail in the back. I did a chain of 40 and then I added some beads and made a knot and cut my yarn. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.